discuss about a load balancer. What is load balancer in AWS? So a load balancer is the single point of contact for clients. The load balancer distributes incoming application traffic across multiple targets, such as EC2 instance and multiple availability. A load balancer is a device that acts as a reverse proxy and distributes network or application traffic across a number of servers. Load balancers are used to increase capacity and reliability of applications. In AWS, we have four types of load balancer: application load balancer, network load balancer, gateway load balancer, and classic load balancer. Today we see application load balancer, how we create application load balancer, and how we use application load balancer with our EC2 instance. So to check for the application load balancer, we need to go to services, and in services go to compute. Then in EC2, so in EC2, as you see, we have created two EC2 instances for load balancer to check. So here we'll see that the first instance in this study one, which redirects to Apache page but with a note, hello, welcome to instance 1. And second one, we'll see that this instance route to the web page, hello, welcome to instance 2. So now we are checking, we are adding these two instances in our load balancer, and check what happened when we added this instance in a load balancer. So to create load balancer, first we need to create a target group, because target group is a term which is target group is a service which is used by load balancer to check for what instance we need to route the traffic. We need to route the incoming traffic. So we are creating a target group. So target group we are creating for the instance. Okay. So here just give the name to the target group. Name the target. And when selecting the port, I am selecting port 80. Select the VPC. If you have other VPC other than default, then select that VPC. Just choose the protocol version, what protocol version you want to use. Then here is the health check path. So you can give, if you have any health check path, then you can use that health check path or just leave it as the same. Here are some health check advanced settings by which that it checks the thresholds and unhealthy threshold, healthy threshold, timeout, interval, and all those. So you can edit this according to your use. After this, you can add a tag to target group. We will add a tag name and end it target. So yeah, after this just click on next. Once you click on next, you found all the created instance, all the running instance are come here. Just select the instance which you want to add in the load balancer. So just we are selecting two instances, MJ study 1 and MJ study 2, and just include as a pending below. Once we add this as an include as a pending below, it runs on a port 80 as you see, and now just click on create target group. Once our target group is created, now you see the target group is created, and for more details of target group you can see over here. Here you found the two target groups, but both are not in unhealthy or healthy state, both are in unused, because we are not using this instance currently, because we don't attach this target group to our load balancer. So to attach this target group to load balancer, we need to go to load balancer. In load balancer you found the option create load balancer. Just click on this, and we are using application load balancer, so just click on create. Now here just give a name MJ load. Now here we found two options, internet facing and internal. So internet facing, when we are our instance are attached with public IP, and we want that the instance are accessible to when our instance are internet facing, and internal is when our instance are not attached with any internet gateway, they are private. If we are using load balancer for private instance, here we can choose IPv4. Here we can also select the VPC. If you have another VPC, then you can go for that, else you can choose this. We are selecting the subnets, so we will select multiple subnet for load balancer. Here you can select the security group, so we are selecting the security group which we create in our previous video, MJ study. Now here you found the option that protocol, port, and then you found the option to select the target group. So we are selecting the target group which we created. Now if you want to add a tag to this listener, then you can add. If you want to add any another listener apart from this target group, then you can add that listener. Yeah, apart from then after that you see that all the details are filled correctly in the summary part. If all are good, then just click on create load balancer. Yeah. After that just see. Okay. Yeah, so the status of load balancer is provisioning, so you wait up till it comes to okay state or completed state. Okay. as you see, when we go to our target group, we check for the AMJ target, and we found that our target instance are now initiated for use. Now just to refresh this thing, you will find that it comes to OK state once this all the health checks are cleared. Now we'll see our load balancer, that what is the status of our load balancer. It's still in provisioning. Yeah, you found that now it's in active state. We can check the details of our load balancer by clicking through the load balancer and check for the details, that what all sorts of details are there. Yeah, one more thing, we can edit our load balancer by just going to action and then edit our load balancer according to our use. Here we found so many options to check what we use in the load balancer. If you want to add another listener, then we can add listener from here. Yeah, now we can check a target group, that what is the status of our target group. We can refresh this once. Yeah, we can found that currently our target group is in a healthy state. Now you can check that from unused it comes to healthy state. Now we'll go to our load balancer and try to go to our web page. So yeah, here we found the DNS name. DNS name means our access point from which we access our web pages. So yeah, to access our web pages, we just add a new tab and open this. Yeah, so you will find that we were access our web page with load balancer URL. So you found here that hello, welcome to instance 1. Now we will refresh this. Now you found that here hello, welcome to instance 2. And when we refresh, every time it changes to another server. So yeah, and in the backend, load balancer uses round robin as a okay. Yeah, so by this you are able to add multiple listeners and multiple targets to our target group and in the load balancer. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, feel free to comment below. Please like, share, subscribe. MJ Studies. Goodbye.